specifically, and why you think that their culture is so popular across the planet?
Well, I believe that Jamaicans, and when you study the history of the Ma'afa, the transatlantic slave trade, many of those who were brought to Jamaica came from the Nigeria, Benin, Cameroon, Congo region. That is a very unapologetic fight to the death region. Some of the ethnic kingdoms in that region, the white man didn't even want to enslave them because it was too difficult to break them. Jamaicans still have that spirit. And if African people are going to be free, geographically in the Caribbean or globally across the world, Jamaica will play a role in it.
There was a Jamaican whose nickname was Burning Spear. He saved a future president of Kenya from a British death sentence. He helped choose the colors of the Jamaican flag. He fought Nazi Germany from the sky, and most Jamaicans have never heard his name. He was Dudley J Thompson. He was born January 19th, 1917 in Panama to Jamaican parents. When his father returned to Westmoreland in 1927, 10-year-old Dudley came with him. He never attended a proper high school. He went straight from primary school to Miko Teachers College. And while at Miko, he won the Rhodes Scholarship. Before he could take up his place at Oxford, World War II broke out. Thompson signed up with the Royal Air Force and became one of Britain's first black bomber pilots, flying missions over Europe as a flight lieutenant in RF Bomber Command. In 1945, he attended the historic 5th Pan-African Congress in Manchester, alongside Kwame Nkrumah, George Padmore, W.E.B. Du Bois, and Jomo Kenyatta. He then studied jurisprudence at Oxford as a Rhodes Scholar, and in 1950 was called to the bar at Gray's Inn. He moved to East Africa. In 1952, at just 35, he assembled the international legal team that defended Jomo Kenyatta in a 58-day trial after the British colonial government charged him with instigating the Mau Mau uprising. Kenyatta was convicted but not hanged. Years later, as president of Kenya, Kenyatta would place his hand on Thompson sitting beside him and say, "This man saved my life." Thompson returned to Jamaica, successfully lobbied for the black, gold, and green African National Congress colors to be used as the basis for the Jamaican flag in 1962, then served as senator, foreign minister, and ambassador to 4 African nations. He died in New York in 2012 at age 95. Which Jamaican freedom fighter should I tell next? Comment below and follow and subscribe to Jamaica Untold Stories for more.